Hi everyone, hope you all good. Today we are going to study about the scratch program that we can repeat something. Okay, so by using the category control blocks, we can use our sprites repeating. Okay, so let's be start. So I'm going to select the block pellets from control. So from here the category control, we got some repeat. Yes, it is. Here it is. So we can select the repeat here. Okay. Then we have to give some instructions to our sprite, to our cat inside this. Okay. So again we have to go the motion and let's try the move 10 steps. After, before that we have to use the pen. Okay, so pen down. Yes, that's right. Okay, pen down, because we didn't use the pen, we can't see the drawing, right? So the move 10 steps we as usual we use. Then we go to the motion again and turn 15-degree. After again move 10 steps. So suppose see I'm going to change this. Yes, move 20 steps. Okay, then we can turn, yes, 15-degree is enough. So the next move we can give minus 20, negative 20. Okay, so let's check what will happen. Oh my god, yeah, wow, see, and we have to repeat. See here it is repeat 10 times, right? So let's change repeat 100. Let's try what will happen. Okay, so I'm going to try. Oh, it's it's repeating 100 times. See, I will show you again. Oh my god, see what we got it. But it really nice. I like it. Yes. So hope you like it. You can enjoy and you can try any other. Thank you.